So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand cameras. And you might also be having imaging devices. If you see imaging devices, you want to expand that as well. Once you expand imaging devices, you might be seeing something that says integrated camera. I don't have it on my computer, but in your case, if you have integrated camera, then you want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on browse my computer for drivers, and then click on let me pick from a list. You want to find USB video device, or the driver that you think is most applicable to your device, and then click on next, and you want to install that. You want to update your integrated camera, and then click on close. You should now be able to expand cameras, and it should be showing your webcam right here, and then the problem should be fixed. And you should now be able to use your camera, so whether that be on Microsoft Teams or just any application, the camera should now be working. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to expand cameras, and you want to find the camera that comes up here. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on browse my computer for drivers, and then click on let me pick from a list, and again you want to select USB video device, and then click on next, and you want to install your drivers. This should then fix your problem.